Nishmas Yaakov Eduyos Perek Aleph Mishna Yud. So Mishna Yud and Yud Aleph has three more machlekes in Beisham and Beis Hillel where they also argue on Shammai. Mishnah Yud talks about a parit tzelash of Meiser Sheni B'Yerushalayim. Now he's already in Yerushalayim with his big coin, and he needs small coins to buy tzarchei asuda. So there's 6 shittas in the Mishnah. Beishamai says that you could take all the big coin and be machlav it onto prutas. Beis Hillel Eimer b'shekel kesef u'b'shekel ma'is, that you have to leave half of it as the big coin and only do half of it and be paired half of it into necheshes. Why? So Rashi B'Metzia again on Memhei Menaldo says that you should only do half of it because maybe you're not going to be in the city long enough to spend all your necheshes, and then you're going to have extra necheshes, and prutas get ruined if you keep them longer. So again, over here, the Teisis Yantif in Meiser Sheni is Ma'ir, that it comes out that Beishamai is being more Mekel, and usually Beishamai is more Machmer. So he says that over here also, it's a Chumri, he brings from the Rash, that you have to do B'dafka B'chol HaSela Mois, because we don't want you to have to wind up changing multiple times, and then you're going to lose out. It's going to be a hefset for Meiser Sheni. The third sheet is Hadanal L'fnei Chachamim. And the Gemara in Sanhedrin Yizayim Abay says whenever it says Donal L'fnei Chachamim, it's referring to the following Tanoim: Shimon ben Azai, Shimon ben Zoyim, Chanan HaMitzri, Hanani ben Chachinoi, and some say Shimon ben Anas. So they said that don't do, not like Beis Hillel that you do half and half. We do 3/4, 1/4. Shloisha dinarim kesef ubedinar mois. So only 1/4 you do into nechoshes. Or Rikiva Eimer the opposite. Shloisha dinarim kesef uberevias kesef. B'Revi is mois. Sorry, Rabbi Akiva is not the opposite. Rabbi Akiva is just saying that instead of it being 1/4 nechoshes, it's 1/4 of 1/4 nechoshes. So with 3 dinarim you buy kesef, and in the 4th dinar you split it. 3/4 of that would still be kesef, and only 1/4 is nechoshes, so it comes out 1/16 is nechoshes. Reb Tarfin says arba asperi kesef. So the Teisis Yantiv explains that in each dinar there's 5 asperi, and you use 4 of that asperi. If you were being machaf a dinar, you could use 4 asperi you keep in the kesef and 1 nechoshes. So it comes out that out of a sela, it's 1/20th, right? Because there are 4 dinar in a sela, and there are 5 asperi in a dinar. At the end, you're only using 1 asperi to get nechoshes, so it's 1/20th of a sela. He says this asperi coin still exists in Yavan. The 5th sheet is this. In the 6th sheet, the last sheet is Shammai says Yanichenu bechanos v'yochel connected. You shouldn't be machlef at all. You should keep the money in the store. You shouldn't be mechala b'chal on prutis, because we're afraid that maybe you're going to forget about it and you're going to use it for a chulin. Rather, you should leave the whole sela in the chemini and eat as you go along on credit. Mishnah Yud Aleph, Kisei Shel Kala, the chair that a Kala sits on. So the Hakdama is that, first of all, we're talking about Tumas Mishka B'Moish over here, because when you sit on something, it has a stronger level of Tumas Mishka B'Moish, not just Tumas Kelim. And the kisei of a kala is a special kisei because it has like armrests, has chifuyev coming out of it, these pegs or whatever coming out of it, creating an armrest. And over here, this kisei shekala shenotul chifuyev, so it's missing its armrest. So the svar over here is that it's like nishtahin, nishtaher. It can't be used for a kisei shekala anymore because it's missing the chifuyev. But yet it's decorated in a way that it doesn't look like a regular kisei. So that's why there's a 3 machlekes over here. Beishamai says metamen, it's still tami mishka b'moisav. It's right to become tami mishka. Beis Hillel metaren. Beis Hillel says no, it's nishtahin nishtaher, so it's not has no tumas mishka at all. And Shammai Yoimrim, he holds even more than Beishamai. He says af melabin shel kisei tami. Even if you were missing the whole back part at all, it was just like a bench, then it would be metame. So surely over here, where you have a kisei shekala shenote chifuyev, so surely it's tame. And the next case in the Mishnah is another machlekes, Beisham, Beis Hillel, and Shammai is talking about a kisei shekavu ba'reva. They took a chair and they were kaveyed into a mixing bowl. So a mixing bowl doesn't have tumas mishkav u'moisha because it's used also for mixing, not only to sit on. And the kisei would be mishkav Moshe, but now that you were kaveya ba'ariva, so now the shaila is, did it lose its teres kisei? Beishamai metame. Beishamai says no, it's still tummy. Beisil metarim. Beisil says that it's tar because he holds that the kisei is batal legabe the areva. That's what the Rav says. And Shammai Oimrim af ha'oseiba. He holds even more than Beishamai again, not only if you were kaveyed into the areva afterwards, but even if it was originally built in special into the areva, it has tumas mishkav.